Looking for the best budget drone on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or simply love aerial photography, today's video features 5 amazing drones that offer impressive cameras, GPS navigation, optical flow avoidance, intelligent flight modes, all without spending a fortune. I'll cover the features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which drone is the best value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo Z908 PRO Max Drone. Our top pick is the Lenovo Z908 PRO Max Drone. It combines GPS navigation, optical flow positioning, ESC brushless motors, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, foldable construction, intelligent flight modes, and high-resolution camera capabilities. Among today's lineup, the Z908 PRO Max offers the strongest combination of flight stability, intelligent features, and overall value. GPS positioning keeps flight smooth, while optical flow helps maintain stable indoor and low-altitude hovering. The ESC brushless motors improve efficiency and durability, and obstacle avoidance makes flying much more beginner-friendly. Although advertised as an 8K drone, actual recording quality is closer to typical consumer-level drones. However, for the price, it still delivers excellent performance. Pros: GPS navigation, ESC brushless motors, optical flow positioning, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, stable hovering, foldable travel-friendly design, excellent value for money. Cons: advertised 8K isn't true cinematic 8K. Low light performance is average. Extra batteries are recommended for longer sessions. If you're looking for the best overall drone on AliExpress in 2026, the Lenovo Z908 PRO Max offers the best combination of features, stability, and value. Number 2. L106 PRO GPS Drone. In second place is the L106 PRO GPS Drone, featuring a 6K camera, brushless motors, GPS positioning, Wi-Fi FPV, 4-way obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and a compact foldable design. The L106 PRO delivers excellent balance between performance and price. GPS navigation provides reliable flight, while obstacle avoidance increases confidence during outdoor flying. The drone responds smoothly and offers stable hovering for capturing photos and videos. Its compact size also makes it easy to travel with. Pros: GPS positioning, 4-way obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, foldable design, stable flight performance, excellent value. Cons: camera resolution claims are optimistic. Obstacle avoidance isn't perfect in every environment. Moderate flight time. A fantastic choice for users who want premium features without paying premium prices. Number 3. Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. Taking the third spot is the Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. This model upgrades the experience with GPS positioning, dual cameras, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, gimbal stabilization, intelligent flight modes, and support for high-resolution video recording. The XT606 feels much closer to a premium drone. GPS provides stable hovering, accurate return-to-home functionality, and smoother navigation. The gimbal helps produce more stable video footage compared to entry-level drones. This drone is an excellent option for travelers, vloggers, and content creators looking to capture cinematic aerial footage without spending premium prices. Pros: GPS positioning, stable hover performance, gimbal camera stabilization, brushless motors, intelligent flight modes, better video quality. Cons: slightly more expensive. Obstacle avoidance works best in ideal lighting conditions. Battery life could be longer. One of the best all-around drones for beginners who want to upgrade to GPS and smoother video recording. Number 4. 2026 Select 3 Camera Drone. This drone focuses on versatility. Multiple camera angles allow creative shots without moving the aircraft constantly. The brushless motors offer stable flight, while the large display makes flying easier outdoors. The multiple camera setup is fun to use, although image quality depends heavily on lighting conditions. It performs best during bright daytime flights. Pros: 3-camera design, large 4.3-inch display, brushless motors, beginner-friendly controls, good value package. Cons: camera quality isn't true professional 4K, limited stabilization, not ideal for strong winds. If you want more creative shooting angles at an affordable price, this drone is definitely worth considering. Number 5. New ZH8 Drone Brushless 4K HD Camera. Starting our list is the new ZH8 Drone, an affordable foldable quadcopter weighing under 250 grams, making it easy to carry almost anywhere. It features a brushless motor, 4K HD camera, Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and comes with a 4.3-inch display built directly into the remote controller. It even supports an airdrop function for small, lightweight items. For beginners, the ZH8 is surprisingly capable. The lightweight design makes flying easy, while the brushless motors provide smoother and quieter performance compared to brush drones. The included display controller eliminates the need to constantly use your smartphone. Although the advertised 4K camera delivers decent daylight footage, don't expect flagship-level stabilization. It's best suited for casual photography and fun weekend flying. Pros: lightweight under 250-gram design, foldable and travel-friendly, brushless motors, built-in 4.3-inch screen controller, easy controls for beginners, good overall value. Cons: limited camera stabilization, wind performance is average, shorter flight range than premium GPS drones. If you're looking for an affordable first drone with a built-in screen, the ZH8 is an excellent entry-level choice. Those are our top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. If you're on a tight budget, the ZH8 drone is a great beginner option. For creative multi-angle shooting, the 2026 Select 3-camera drone is a fun choice. The Lenovo XT606 and L106 PRO are excellent mid-range GPS drones packed with smart features. But if you want the best overall value, our top recommendation is the Lenovo Z908 Pro Max, thanks to its GPS, ESC brushless motors, optical flow stabilization, and obstacle avoidance. Check the product links in the description below if you'd like to learn more or grab one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and top 5 product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.